Hi guys, my name is Ashok Prajapati and in this video we'll learn about Angular pipes. Pipes are allow us to transform data before displaying them in the view. Pipe are simple functions you can use it in template to accept an input value and return a transformed value. Use pipe to transform string, currency, amounts, date and author data for display that. Angular provide built-in pipe typical data transformations. Let's check it out the built-in pipes template. I have created a name property and set it to Angular pipes, and in template I bounded it to templates. Let's go to the browsers and have a Angular pipe. So let's we check it out one by one pipes in this with examples. Let me copy to h2 and name property, use it to pipe operator and their built-in pipe lower case. Lowercase pipe will transform all the character into lowers. Let's we save it, go to the browser and check it out. Angular, all the characters is transformed into lowercase. So there is another uppercase pipes. Let's copy and change it lowercase to uppercase. Uppercase pipe will be transformed all the character in the uppercase. Go to the browser, use it Angular pipes in all in capitalize. So there have another simple example. Title case. Title case will use title case will the convert. Here have a p is a small letter and title case will be convert the every word first letter into uppercase. Go to the browsers, you can check it out. A is upper, p is upper also. So this is the simple lowercase, uppercase and title case pipes. Similar have another slice pipes. Copy and go, and here use a slice. Slice will cut the characters from their slide. Use the column and argument like 3. So go to the browser, you can check it out. All our pipes like A and G, here is the curve, slice it and printed the other words. So you can also use the same and 6. So only print out 3 to 6 letter like ULR. Go to the browser, you can check ULA. Use another 7, so you can print it out R also. So this is the simple slice pipes. And now check it out the date pipe. So here I use it the public property type name, but dates have a new date like 2003 is April, and like science month parameter started from the 0 visit, so use it April is a 3 and 10 date, so printed will be April 10 2000. So copy h2, change name to birth date like birthday. Go to the browser, there will print it the full years. Why not coming? Okay, spelling mistakes. Go to there and you can check it out. The Monday April 10 2000 with times EMT with all the full times. So we need to use the date pipe for according to our rules, local rules. So copy per date, use the pipe operator and date. So there are the simple print output like April 10 2000. We can also use this another, use pass the parameter like short date. So there have a short date print, transform the short date 4 10 and 2000s. We also pass our custom date property like date dd slash month slash year. So output will be 10, 4 and 2000s. So this is the simple date operative. And there are the another pipes like currency, so we use it price that have a 500, so let pound it here, use s2 ones and pound it price. Go to the browser and go check it out. There will be 500. So we can use currency pipe, so pipe operator and use currency, so they will be display currency $500. And we also use pass the parameter like use the currency like euro column parameter currency symbol euro, so there will be euro, change it to dollar to euro. Also you can change pass the another property num or symbols like e u r e euro. Go to the browsers, there will be euro $500 printed euros $500. So this is the simple currency pipes, you can use it that. And another have we also use it the public date JSON format, so you can copy and use data, so there will be output will be object, so we need to print the JSONs in there, so we have to use pipe operator and JSON pipe, so you can output will be printed the full JSONs. This is the first name value and last name. So this is the simple pipe. How can we can use this property pipe and pipe name, whatever you can use the lowercase uppercase title slice date short date format currency symbols and JSON. So you also you can create your one pipes, whatever you have a logic there. In next video we can check how to create custom pipe. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe. Thank you.